friends, my name's Elise and today we're going to be seeing how many mini octopuses I can make in 1 hour. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my 1 hour timer here and these are a couple of the mini octopuses. So this is a self-striping yarn. This is Bloom Chunky Big from Premier Yarns. And I've already used this a lot. I've made 6 of these octopuses already, but I'm going to make some more and I'm going to see how many I can make in 1 hour. So I've got all my supplies here. I've got all the different eyes I need and I have this glue, and I like to glue the eyes in for these octopuses even after I've put the clasp on the inside. I like to glue them in just so that they don't fall out, just in case. But let's get started. So this yarn changes colors by itself, so you can already see that it turned yellow, just like how this yarn changed colors 4 times, and it looks like I changed the colors, but it actually changes by itself. That's just the way the yarn is made. So it's really nice for longer projects or cute animals that can be in any color, like an octopus, for example. Or it's really good in blankets or sweaters. Okay, so now it's time to put the eyes in and stuff it. Okay, so basically I just put glue around the safety eye, just like this, and then I stick it right where I want it so that whenever I put the clasp on under it, it sticks to the yarn even more. Sometimes, for extra precaution, I add some glue around this also. Okay, so now let's also add a little bit of stuffing. Now we need to add on the tentacles. We do this by adding bobble stitches around the front loops only. Okay, so now we have our first octopus finished, and now it's time to do our second octopus. So now we're almost done with our second octopus, so let's add on the eyes and stuff it. Okay, now let's stitch it all up. Okay, now let's add the tentacles. This octopus has a bunch of different color changes. We've color changed 3 times and we're almost out of time, but let's try to finish this one and maybe start one more. Let's add the eyes and stuffing. We have 5 minutes left, and let's try to finish this octopus. We missed it just barely, but now I'm done with this octopus. And now I just need to tie in the ends, and then I'll be done. Okay, so now we're done with this octopus, and we also made 2 others. So I guess that means that I can make 3 octopuses in 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed creating more. See you next time. Bye!